So in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A24. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change display mode between light and dark. And in dark mode settings we can schedule the dark mode. Next, we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Then we can change motion smoothness of the screen between high and standard. Enable or disable eye comfort shield and schedule it. Also we can adjust its temperature. Next we can change screen mode between vivid, natural and change white balance of the screen. Then we can change font size and style. Change screen zoom. Enable full screen mode for apps. Hide notch in apps. And change screen timeout between 50 seconds and 10 minutes. Also, we can enable easy mode, smart sidebar, change navigation style between buttons and swipe gestures, and enable or disable accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, and show charging information. In the end, we can set screensaver. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.